Dear friends, in exercise 4.2 of 7th standard class, lesson number 4, we have second sub question. Second sub question is give first the step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. So we need to solve the equation. Equation is 3L is equal to 42. Please note here 3 multiplied by L. This L is multiplied. 3 is multiplied to L. So here, since 3 is multiplied to L, we do the opposite operation with the same number. Since 3L is equal to 42, we divide both sides. Divide both sides of equation by 3. So we will get 3L divided by 3 is equal to 42 divided by 3. Now 3 divided by 3 is 1L. So we will get 1L. 1L means L only. There is no need to write the coefficient. So you can directly write L is equal to 42 divided by 3. You can do the operation 42 divided by 3. 3 1 are 3. Remainder is 1. 12. 3 4 are 12. And the remainder is 0. It means L is equal to, quotient is upside, so L is equal to 14. You can do the operation here itself. Divide 3. 4 divided by 3 is 1. Remainder is 1. 1 and 2 becomes 12. 3 4s are 12. So answer is L is equal to 14. Thus L is equal to 14 is the solution of given equation. Therefore L is equal to 14 is the solution of given equation. Now second problem is b divided by 2 is equal to 6 or b upon 2 is equal to 6. Please note here 2 is dividing b. So we need to multiply b by 2. I have told you we have to do the opposite operation with the same number. So multiply both sides of equation by 2. So you will get 2b upon 2 is equal to 2 multiplied by 6. Please note here 2 is dividing 2 or 2 is multiplying and 2 is dividing. So these two cancels, it becomes 1b. 1b is equal to b itself and 6 2s are 12. So we have got b is equal to 12. Therefore b is equal to 12 is the solution of given equation. Now third problem is p upon 7 is equal to 4. Please note 7 is dividing. So opposite operation is multiplication. I already told you before also. We have to do the opposite operation with the same number. So multiply both sides by 7. Multiply both sides of equation by 7. So you will get 7 multiplied by p upon 7 is equal to 7 multiplied by 4. This looks like x, so I request you to write multiplication in bracket form. It is 7 multiplied by 4. So this is equal to 7 divided by 7 is again 1. 1p means p itself. And 7 multiplied by 4 is 28. So p is equal to 28 is the solution of given equation. You can check the answer here. If you put p is equal to 28 divided by 7. 28 divided by 7 is 4 itself. So if you put the answer in the equation, you will see that LHS becomes equal to RHS. So this can be verified for all type of equation. Fourth equation is 4x is equal to 25. So multiply, there 4 is multiplied, so we need to do the division operation. So divide both sides of equation, both sides of equation by 4. So we will get 4x upon 4 is equal to 25 upon 4. So this 4 divided by 4 is 1. So you will get x is equal to 25 upon 4 is not reducible, so it will remain like this only, 25 upon 4. It means this is the solution. Thus x equal to 25 upon 4 is the solution of given equation. Dear friends, next problems are 8y is equal to 36. Please note here 8 is multiplied to y. So in order to eliminate 8, we do the opposite operation with the same number. So divide both sides by 8. Divide both sides of equation. Divide both sides of equation by 8. So we will get 8y upon 8 is equal to 36 upon 8. So this becomes 8 divided by 8 is 1. You will get 1y is equal to 36 upon 8. Now this is reducible by 4's table. You know that this is equal to, you will get 1y means y itself, and 36 means 4 nines are 36 and 4 2s are 8. So y equal to 9 upon 2. Therefore y equal to 9 upon 2 is the solution of given equation. Next problem is z upon 3 is equal to 5 upon 4. Please note, we are asked to solve the equation. Solve the equation means find the value of the variable. We have to keep variable to the left hand side and all other numbers to the right hand side. Here 3 is dividing the variable. In order to eliminate 3, we do the opposite operation with the same number. So here we multiply both sides of equation. Multiply both sides of equation by 3. So you will get 3z upon 3 is equal to 3 multiplied by 5 upon 4. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. You will get z is equal to, this is 3 5s are 15 upon 4. Please note, number is not divisible, so it will remain as it is. Therefore z is equal to 15 upon 4 is the solution of given equation. Next is a divided by 5 is equal to 7 upon 15. Here please note, 5 is dividing a. So to eliminate 5, we multiply both sides by 5. Multiply both sides of equation by 5. So we will get 5 multiplied by a upon 5 is equal to 5 multiplied by 7 upon 15. So if you solve this, you will notice that it is 5 divided by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. So you will get a. Here 7 5s are 35 upon 15. So this is a is equal to, therefore a is equal to 35 upon 15. Now please note, both the numbers are divisible by 5. So if you divide this, you will get a is equal to 5 7s are 35 and 5 3s are 15. A is equal to 7 upon 3 is the solution of. Therefore a is equal to 7 upon 3 is the solution of given equation. Next and last sub question is 20t is equal to negative 10. So here, in order to eliminate 20, please note 20 is multiplied to t. So to eliminate 20, we divide the equation by 20. So divide both sides of equation by 20. So you will get 20t divided by 20 is equal to negative 10 divided by 20. So this becomes 20 divided by 20 is 1. So you will get 1t is equal to 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20. Negative sign will remain as it is. You will get 1 upon 2. Please note 1t is t itself, so t is equal to negative 1 upon 2. Therefore, we have got the solution. T is equal to negative half or 1 upon 2 is the solution of given equation.